Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video I want to presentation about lecturing English project about the importance of time management for student. So in here I make this presentation using Canva and the idea from ChatGPT. So in here I want to tell you about for what the importance of the time management for student. So in here is the first is introduction, like what is time management of for student, for what time management, and for what for using. And introduction is like for time management is the uh, the student as is why it's important. In here I will say what's the importance of time management for student. The example is manage your time to the important is like uh, maximize your time or say is not lazy. Yes, common problem in time management, you need do the time management but there is the problem you not make it like a to-do list and another. That how to improve time management. In here I want to say the what the how to improve and the tips after that there is time management tips. I will say to you the tips there is two, and the conclusion is what is the conclusion for time management. The first is introduction, what the important of what is the important of management. So I first the time management. Time management adalah time management is you maximize you using your time is maximally like 1 hour can making for one task. Okay, what the important of time management? The important the like that. So time management can let's manage your time for 1 hour. For 1 hour is do one task, one break, and do again. Next, for what the important? So like is for your tasks you leading like you have some tasks from your school like making some video in 10 minutes or this you can do. There is 30 minutes you can do the task or making the presentation 20 minutes or 5 minutes for searching the what searching the reference after that. In 20 minutes you making the presentation, so that there is the 30 minutes you do break or like scrolling. Why is important? I will say to the first academic performance student. The meaning is student who can manage the time usually complete their assessment to be on the grades. So for making your what performance student like uh, you have five two tasks in one day, you can split or make it a schedule the studies. Next, that's education. So when you have a clear schedule, you may not stress like you have to tasks, but 1 hour you can have tasks for 1 week, but you lazy to make it straight. So that just mean one day you must do that because you not do the tasks from before 1 week. So you will be stress vision because this you can get clear like 1 week you can 5 day or 3 day before the you do balance between study and life with good time manage for study we can still for hobby skills and like in weekday you just do your tasks, you not play game like that. And in weekend you can do some your hobby like play football, play game, another that building discipline. Time management help you solve responsibility, control the head. So you can control your time for the stack and your hobby. Next, a common problem. Verification delay thanks in the last minute. And I already say uh, in the in here I already show in the academic preference. So I will guess the delay text. Yeah, select that. Yeah, the task in 1 week, but you not deliver or do your tasks more faster than weeks. Next is distraction, spending to you always scroll media and or play game. Ya already say itu in academic preference. Ya, in what stress in in balance and between the life, you do your tasks in weekday and do your scroll media or hobby in weekend. And in here the problem is you too many scroll and play game in the weekday and the weekend. Lack of planning. You not using schedule for to do list. Yeah, you so many tasks but you not make it the schedule. So in you forgot in two or day one or day two before the text delivered to your teacher. You forgot you already much the text have a much text. Next, how to improve this time. First is here from the problem, and here from the problem lack of planning, you make it some schedule or like a to-do list. Like only can you have two tasks, and in the one task is like first making video, making poster, making another. You make it some schedule. Misal the Monday next week is you deliver your task. First is you in Monday you make it some poster, schedule to do list is poster, video, and referensi. Like Monday you making the poster, making the searching the referensi. Uh, that the Thursday you making the video. After the Thursday you making the poster of the video. And use the more technique study for 20 minutes then rest now. And I already say you have 30 minutes you can do your tasks 20 minutes and then break 5 minutes. That's clear. That you make some goals to do for what you do sticks and this. Yes, multitasking for one task at time for better result. Nah, you do multitasking like you searching the referensi, not only the poster but only the video too. Okay. Next, this time management scripts. I have to use the name the acceleration matrix. So in here I mean first is urgent not urgent, important and not important. First do it now, urgent and important like making some project modular. You do it now. But next is making poster for next week. You important but not urgent, you can schedule to do it. Next is urgent not important. You can say to your friend to have it related elements like is what say if you do. This example is or do it now urgent and important. This is that a project that important. That's called media not important and not urgent for now. You can do delay it first. You do your task. Next the Pomodoro is in here. You can use the yes I recommended this because so work on it is like making a project and break time is you scroll media or chill or like bahkan you do your tasks and here kan dari kodular no. You do kodular 20 minutes after that you break for scroll media. Nah And the conclusion is, do your time is more good for making life easy. The conclusion is, if you have some tasks, you can do more faster than before, because like the task in 1 week. Nah, weekday you do the task until done. After you done in weekend, you can scroll sosmed, like you play legend, but not recommend. You can play football in the morning of weekend and another. So that all from me. Sorry I have so many mistakes before, because thank you very much you are already watching my video. Plus I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Gantian kan? Gue pakai serat ya.